Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Job Central Hub. If you're on the hunt for your next big career move or just curious about what's out there, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into some exciting job opportunities across various companies and roles, highlighting the skills that are in demand right now. Let's take a look. First up, we have Dhatadog with an opening for a technical support engineer too. This position, based in Bangalore, Karnataka, is perfect for someone with strong troubleshooting skills and a customer-centric approach. They are looking for expertise in Zendesk, Jira, Confluence, Linux, and programming, plus a good understanding of SaaS support and, of course, excellent customer communication. If you love solving complex technical problems and helping users, this could be your ideal fit. Moving on to Ernst & Young, a global leader in professional services. They have a few interesting roles. For an experienced professional, there's a consultant business consulting position in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. This role requires a solid grasp of MS Project, scheduling, budget monitoring, risk analytics, and reporting. Experience with risk assessment tools, internal audit systems, and a strong business acumen will be key here. Is also seeking an VAM intern for multiple locations across India. This is a fantastic opportunity for aspiring professionals to get hands-on experience. They're looking for skills in Java, .NET, Python, SQL, Oracle, Teradata, and data analytics. A foundational understanding of the software development lifecycle, cybersecurity concepts, and business intelligence tools would be a huge plus. And finally, at we see an opening for an associate analyst in Gurugram, Kochi, and Bangalore. For this role, skills in IMS Office are mentioned, indicating a need for strong foundational Office suite proficiency and perhaps an understanding of information management systems. Next, let's look at Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, which has some exciting tech roles in Bangalore, Karnataka. They're hiring a data engineer. This role is for someone proficient in SQL, ETL, data modeling, and programming languages like Python, C++, and C#. Experience with Scala, data pipelines, data visualization, and logging optimization will be highly valued. If you're passionate about building robust data infrastructure, this is for you. Meta is also looking for a software engineer, product. This position requires a strong technical foundation with skills in Hack, JavaScript, React, React Native, XHTML, CSS, SQL, Python, C++, and Java. Experience in web development, mobile app development, full-stack development, API design, and unit testing is crucial. This is a great opportunity to contribute to products used by billions. From the e-commerce giant, Flipkart, we have a software development engineer opening in Bangalore, Karnataka. This role specifically highlights skills in iOS development, mobile application development, and data structures. If you're an iOS wizard and love building mobile experiences, Flipkart is calling your name. Let's head over to Global Logic for an associate analyst position in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. This role emphasizes strong communication skills, both content analysis and summarization. Proficiency in MS Word, Google Docs, and excellent written English are essential. If you're detail-oriented and have a knack for clear communication, consider this. And finally, from the world of gaming, Electronic Arts, EA, has two roles in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. They're looking for a software engineer too, AI/ML Ops. This is a cutting-edge role requiring expertise in Go, Java, Scala, Python, Bash, TensorFlow, PyTorch, SageMaker, Azure ML, GCP Vertex AI, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, and CUDA. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence, machine learning operations, and working with large-scale data, this is an incredible opportunity to shape the future of gaming. Lastly, EA is also hiring a People Partnerships Associate. This role focuses on human resources, requiring skills in MS Office, Trees systems, recruitment, employee relations, performance management, and L&D, learning and development. If you're passionate about people and creating a positive work environment, this could be a great fit. Visit https://jobcentralhub.com for more details and daily job alerts. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable career content. Let us know in the comments which role caught your eye or if there are specific skills you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching. and we wish you the best of luck in your career journey. See you next time.